In the spring, have you ever had your lawn come out of dormancy and it just looks bad? And you're wondering, will this lawn ever actually come back? Do I need to replace it? Have you ever had a lawn that looks like maybe it has some sort of a fungal issue or disease issue and you just don't know whether it's going to recover? Well, this is Ken with Village Green, and I wanted to show you this lawn because these were exactly the kinds of questions that I was having with Adam early in the spring. And this by now it is the fall, and you can see that this lawn has really recovered very, very well. And the very nice thing about this is that Adam actually called me and said, "Hey, I really want you to come out and do a video of my lawn and show what my lawn looks like because you need to use this as one of your success stories." I appreciate Adam reaching out to us like this. So what was going on with the lawn at the beginning of the year was that we had a lot of freeze damage. This is Zoysia, and if when Zoysia doesn't always get freeze damage, but when it does, it is very, very slow to recover. And so most of the other lawns that were Bermuda and St. Augustine had bounced back, and by late May, this lawn was still looking really patchy. And the trick is you just have to be patient, because as long as we're watering it right, as long as we're fertilizing it right, then eventually most grasses will recover. Even Zoysia. Zoysia is a good grass, but the main quality about it is it's a very slow grower. So when something happens to it, it takes a long time to recover. So the things that we did was that we just did what we always do. We fertilized it with the correct fertilizers during the right time of year. With Zoysia and St. Augustine, we do almost an organic type of fertilizer on this. It's a very slow release. And what that does is to encourage good root growth and not push the top, because that stresses the grass out. It makes the progress slower, but as you can see, this lawn is looking much, much better by the end of the year. And the other credit is to Adam that he was watering well this year and watering correctly, as he always does, and that also helped drive this growth. So again, thanks to Adam for reaching out to us. I'm really proud of how this lawn has turned around. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Ken with Village Green, local experience you can trust.